Traditional theories suggest that random chemical reactions under the right conditions led to the formation of complex molecules necessary for life, like RNA and proteins. However, the probability of these complex structures forming purely by chance is incredibly low. Quantum mechanics might offer insights into how these first steps toward life were more than just random. Quantum coherence. This phenomenon allows particles to exist in multiple states simultaneously, and might have helped early biomolecules explore multiple configurations quickly and simultaneously. In this way, quantum coherence could have helped find the optimal arrangements for chemical reactions to form life, much like how it helps plants find the most efficient path for transferring energy in photosynthesis. Quantum tunneling. This could have allowed particles to overcome energetic barriers and bond in ways that would not normally be possible under classical physics. This could explain how early life's building blocks might have formed more efficiently, even in the less-than-ideal conditions of early Earth. Quantum entanglement. This could have helped stabilize certain structures of molecules, ensuring that if one part of a system found a stable configuration, its entangled counterpart would also adopt a corresponding stable structure, even at a distance. Thinking about the origin of life in quantum terms is like imagining molecules having a smart way to find each other and combine effectively, rather than relying on sheer chance. It suggests a more systematic exploration of possible states leading to life. Enzymes and reactions network. Enzymes are nature's catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions that are necessary for life. Quantum biology looks at how quantum mechanics might play a role in this catalytic efficiency. Quantum tunneling in enzymes. Normally, for a chemical reaction to occur, a particle must overcome an energy barrier. In classical terms, this is like having enough energy to jump over a wall. However, quantum tunneling allows particles to pass through barriers they don't have enough energy to overcome traditionally. Vibration and energy transfer. Quantum mechanics may also help explain how enzymes use the energy from molecular vibrations to facilitate reactions at lower temperatures than expected. These vibrations could help position reactant molecules perfectly for a reaction or provide the energy needed to overcome barriers. In both the origin of life and enzymatic reactions, quantum biology suggests that life may inherently use quantum mechanics to operate more efficiently and effectively than we could explain with classical physics alone. These insights not only deepen our understanding of life's fundamental processes, but could also inspire new technologies and treatments that mimic these naturally optimized systems.
Imagine for a moment the ceaseless activity within a tiny plant cell. It is lunchtime in the microscopic world, and the cell is busy converting sunlight into life-sustaining energy through photosynthesis. What if I told you that at the heart of this everyday miracle lies not just the well-understood dance of chemical reactions, but a whisper of something far stranger and more elusive? This is the world of quantum biology, a realm where the bizarre rules of quantum mechanics intersect with the bustling life processes we observe in nature. Like stagehands subtly influencing a play, quantum phenomena such as superposition, tunneling, and entanglement are quietly orchestrating some of life's most fundamental processes. This essay ventures into this arcane intersection, exploring how quantum effects might just underpin the existence and functionality of all living things. Quantum biology might sound like an oxymoron. The cold, deterministic realms of biology, governed by the laws of macroscopic physics and chemistry, seem worlds apart from the probabilistic haze of quantum mechanics, where particles can exist in multiple places at once and nothing is certain until it's measured. Yet when these seemingly disparate fields converge, they reveal that the engine of life might very well run on quantum rules. The journey into this interdisciplinary science is not merely an academic pursuit. It's a story of how the universe operates at all conceivable scales. As we delve into this uncharted territory, we begin to understand that quantum mechanics is not isolated to the minuscule parts of atoms. Rather, it is fundamental in driving the processes that life depends on. The past decade has seen remarkable experimental advancements confirming what was once considered rampant speculation, that quantum phenomena are integral, not incidental to biological functions. Photosynthesis, the process by which light energy is converted into biochemical energy, offers one of the strongest cases for quantum biology. Research indicates that plants achieve near-perfect efficiency in energy transport thanks to a quantum effect known as coherence. In the thylakoid membranes of plant cells, energy harvested from sunlight is transported as an exciton, a packet of energy that, because of quantum coherence, can simultaneously explore multiple pathways to find the most efficient route to the reaction center of photosynthesis. The experimental confirmation came from observing the behavior of these excitons using ultrafast spectroscopy, which revealed that these energy packets maintained their quantum coherence far longer than previously believed possible in the warm, wet environments of biological cells. This finding challenges our classical understanding of biological processes and opens up new avenues for exploring how quantum mechanics can explain other biological phenomena. The implications of such efficiency are profound, not simply for understanding plant life, but also for developing novel technologies. By mimicking this process, scientists aim to create more efficient solar cells and energy transfer systems, illustrating how quantum biology can lead to technological innovation. Enzymatic actions and quantum tunneling. The role of enzymes in catalyzing nearly all chemical reactions in biological cells is well understood in the context of classical biochemistry. However, the unmatched efficiency and specificity of enzymes suggests that something more might be at play. Research has proposed that quantum tunneling, whereby particles pass through energy barriers they classically shouldn't be able to overcome, plays a crucial role in the way enzymes accelerate biochemical reactions. The intriguing case of enzyme catalysis via quantum tunneling was highlighted in studies with hydrogen transfer reactions. These reactions are integral to cellular respiration and DNA synthesis, and typically occur at rates exponentially faster than what classical physics predicts. The tunneling effect allows hydrogen nuclei, like protons or hydride ions, to tunnel through activation barriers, thus speeding up the reaction process. This concept not only reshapes our understanding of enzymatic actions, but also may guide the design of new catalysts in industrial and pharmaceutical applications. Quantum entanglement in avian navigation. One of the most captivating studies in quantum biology involves the way some birds, notably migratory songbirds, navigate using Earth's magnetic field. At the heart of this phenomenon is a protein called cryptochrome, located in the retina of these birds. Cryptochrome is believed to form radical pairs whose electron spins are entangled. Quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where particles become interconnected regardless of the distance separating them, allows the electrons in these radical pairs to remain correlated even in the noisy environment of a living cell. The theory proposes that these entangled electron spins in the radical pairs are influenced by the Earth's magnetic field, affecting the chemical reactions in the bird's eyes, which may help them see the magnetic field as an overlay on their visual field. This quantum compass provides the birds with unerring navigation capabilities, a theory supported by experiments showing that disrupting the Earth's magnetic field or the function of cryptochrome affects the bird's ability to navigate. This intersection of quantum physics and biology not only deepens our understanding of animal behavior, but also opens potential applications in navigation technologies and enhances our understanding of quantum phenomena in biological systems. The frontiers of quantum biology, implications and challenges. Quantum biology is not without its skeptics, and considerable challenges remain in definitively proving the quantum origins of these biological phenomena. The main hurdle is the delicate nature of quantum states, which are notoriously difficult to maintain, let alone observe, in the warm, wet, and bustling environment of living cells. Quantum states are easily disrupted by their surroundings, a phenomenon known as decoherence. However, the very discovery of possible sustained quantum states in biological systems challenges our existing paradigms about the robustness of quantum phenomena. Moreover, the implications of quantum biology extend beyond understanding existing biological processes. They suggest revolutionary approaches to developing new technologies such as quantum computers, highly sensitive sensors, and novel therapeutic methods that mimic or utilize these quantum biological processes. For instance, understanding quantum coherence in photosynthesis could lead to the development of biomimetic solar cells that vastly outperform current technology. The field also poses profound philosophical questions about the nature of life and evolution. Could quantum mechanical effects be the missing pieces in understanding the origin of life itself? Did life evolve to use quantum mechanics because it provides an evolutionary advantage? Or is it simply an incidental byproduct of physics at the nanoscale? These are some of the tantalizing questions at the frontier of quantum biology. Where do we go from here? Future prospects. As we stand on the brink of potentially revolutionary discoveries, the future of quantum biology is as uncertain as it is promising. The next steps involve not only more precise and sophisticated experiments to observe quantum effects in biological systems, but also a theoretical framework that can coherently explain these effects. The integration of quantum physics with molecular biology, biochemistry, and neuroscience represents a multidisciplinary challenge that could reshape our understanding of life itself. Furthermore, the technological applications of quantum biological insights are only beginning to be explored. From quantum-inspired algorithms and sensors to novel medical diagnostics and treatments, the potential is vast. The journey of quantum biology from fringe science to mainstream could well be one of the most exciting scientific narratives of the 21st century. In conclusion, quantum biology invites us to reconsider what we thought we knew about life's mechanisms. It suggests that beneath the familiar macroscopic world of living organisms operates a shadowy quantum underpinning, subtly but fundamentally guiding life's myriad processes. As researchers continue to unveil the quantum secrets of life, we may find that the line between the living and the quantum world is not just blurred, but inseparably intertwined, offering profound insights into the very fabric of nature. This comprehensive exploration of quantum biology not only enriches our understanding of life's intricate mechanisms, but also challenges us to rethink the boundaries of what is possible in both natural and technological realms. The revelations of quantum mechanics within biological systems pave the way for a future where science not only imitates nature, but also learns to harness the full spectrum of its quantum capabilities. As we continue to peel back the layers, the quantum secrets of life promise to illuminate the darkest mysteries of existence and propel us into a new era of scientific innovation and understanding.